You know, a lot of people go out there searching Google and they find that interest rate and fees is the way to determine who you're going to work with. And while those things are important as a part of your transaction, those aren't ultimately the things that should be driving your decision. Things you should be asking the mortgage person who you're interviewing to take the job is, what is their expertise? What is their experience in the situation that you have? You might be military. We're working with someone like myself, and having that experience and expertise in the VA loan is going to play to your advantage. Whereas you could be somebody who has, maybe you're self-employed and own your own business, and there might be a different specialty available for you. All in all, what is going to be important is getting you into the home, right? So even if you have a lender whose interest rate is 0.1% or maybe $200 more expensive in their fees, if they can get you into the home with better level of experience and better service, that is going to provide a much better outcome for you down the road. We've rescued many deals where the client was shopping interest rate, and past close of escrow date, everyone's in a panic, and we come in and we get them what they needed to have and get that loan done quickly. So a couple of things that you should be looking for when you're talking to your mortgage company. Number one, do they have the experience and expertise in the loan product that you need? Number two, what is their pre-approval process like? Do they make you provide all the documents, or do they have just a phone conversation and spit out a letter? Number three, you should be asking your loan officer what they do for you to help you get your offer accepted. Do they do anything out of the ordinary, or do they just sit back and wait for the phone to ring? And lastly, what is the communication protocol like while you're in escrow, while you're in the transaction with them? A lot of loan officers will completely vanish while you're in escrow during that purchase, which is the worst thing that you want to have happen. You need that loan officer, that mortgage advisor, to be there and helping you throughout the way, helping lead the team with you, the realtors, the title companies, everybody involved. So if you want to have a great mortgage lending experience, you need to make sure that those questions are answered. Beyond that, you'll have a competitive interest rate. If you're working with somebody who can nail those topics and give you a high level of service and knows exactly what they're doing and specializes in the area you need them to specialize in, you're going to have a great rate, great fees, but more importantly, you're going to get into the house. There's nothing worse than having the best rate out there and losing the home you're in escrow for because you picked the wrong loan officer. So if you would like to talk to a true mortgage advisor and an expert in the field, I have 20 years in the business, and I would love to talk to you about it. You can visit me at valoanguy.us.